Hey guys, this is Jared Culp. Hopefully all of you are having a Merry Christmas. We're going to be doing a leg workout in this video. Make sure to bring your protein shake. Make sure to bring one dumbbell for this video. And let's get right into it.
"20-second squats with dumbbell." Take a break. "30-second forward lunge." Take a break. "30-second backward lunge." Take a break. "20-second right side elevated squat." Take a break.
Hello there. Are you enjoying the workout? If so, make sure to buy my merch down in the description down below as it helps out very much. Right back to the video.
20-second left side elevated squat. Take a break. "30-second side lunge." Take a break. "30-second stretch." Take a break. Workout complete.
There you go, guys. Hopefully this was useful to you. If it was, make sure to share it with a friend, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a happy Merry Christmas.